Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Spotify local files on your phone. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. I'm going to show you how to do this on my Android phone, but the process is exactly same on iPhone as well. So just watch the entire video and follow the method I show you in this video. So first of all, what you have to do is just open up the Spotify application on your mobile. After doing so, click on the home icon and click on this settings option in the top screens. Click on it. After opening up the setting, scroll all the way down until you find the local files tab. Below notifications, you will see your local files tab with the only option show audio files from this device in your library. Enable this and go back to your library. After this, you will see the local files playlist automatically created here. Every single song within your SD card or internal storage will be automatically picked up by Spotify as long as the song is compatible and is in the right format. So for every song that Spotify detects on your internal mobile storage, it will automatically add it to the local files playlist. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.